For TraderInsight.com, I'm Adrian Manz, and it's time for your daily dose of the doctor. Let's take a look at another opening gap trade. These are the ones that are really playing out right now. We've got a bunch of geopolitical junk going on in the world. A lot of our planned trades are triggering right off the open. That's okay. We just put those on autopilot and focus on those gap opportunities. Lots of things gapped this morning once again. One of the keys, as I told all of you at the boot camp, is focus on the gaps that are in the more expensive stocks. Those stocks tend to move much quicker. We had a bunch of stocks that gapped this morning that were $15, $16, $17 a share, and then we had the likes of Netflix and Garmin, and all that stuff was very easy to find pre-market. So pre-market, we found lots of news related to earnings on Netflix and Garmin, and we had those posted in the room. Peter had them up there. I had them up there. We were ready to go before the market even opened, and sure enough, once we got open, Netflix gaps up 11%, and we had a beautiful trade in that one. We had a great trade in Garmin. Netflix, this was pretty much a no-brainer as far as I was concerned. Some of you did not like this stuff right here, that Netflix moves as fast as it does. It's very, very liquid, but it still tends to blast through these levels very quickly. You know what you do in that case? Knock that share size down. You don't have to trade 2,000 shares. You don't have to trade 5,000 shares. You could trade 100 shares, 500 shares. The profit opportunity is going to be there. What we did on this one was the first bar, as you see here, closed at 109.81. 109.81 was the trigger price for an aggressive entry on my part. Stock traded a little bit higher in the second 5-minute bar of trading, came down through that 109.81. 108.74, that was the low of the first bar of trading. Once we hit 108.74, we took off half of that position, and the balance was trailed out on a fib extension at 107.81. Cleared out those lines so that you can see all the levels. Here's how we did the fib extension. Just take that first bar of trading, right? All you boot camp guys know this drill. And this is where we go and target for that extension. It's not rocket science. It's not magic. It is all about having your toolbox ready to go, knowing which tools you're going to want to put to work each and every day, and then being able to sort through them and say, this is what's going to work best given the situation that I have in the stock that I'm looking at. Most important lesson to take away from this Netflix trade is it is very easy to make money on these big dollar stocks. It's also very easy to get burned. The way to prevent getting burned is to adjust the share size and make sure you are not trading out of your comfort zone. Once you get out of your comfort zone, you're going to start making mistakes. The way to stop making mistakes is to take that trade and put it right back to where it's a very good psychological fit for you. So if you have any questions, shoot me an email, adrian@traderinsight.com. Hope you're having a great trading day this Thursday, an even better one on deck for Friday. The best trader education anywhere, only from TraderInsight.com.